Hi everyone, Ian from Vision Precision Engineering. Today I'm on the 710 with a 4 axis on. We're doing some radial holes, 17.5 diameter, 60 deep in some EN8 steel. I'm going to show you a new drill we're using by taegutec. It's a BHD 5175. I'm going to show you it now, and then I'm going to show you it flying through these rings. Like I say, 60 deep, straight in, 700 mil a minute, 2500 RPM, absolutely cutting like butter. So I thought I'd share it with you, try it out yourself, see what you think. I'll show you a quick clip of the drill, and then I'll show you it cutting. So that's the drill. It's a steel body with a carbide coated brazed tip on it, through coolant, really good, flies through these rings no problem. So I'm going to show you it cutting, and then like I say, try it yourself. Works for me, might work for you. .700 mil a minute, 2,500 RPM, through coolant, straight on. So, hope you like the video. Any comments, leave them below, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.